Well, hello again, ladies. Welcome back to my recently launched YouTube relationship channel covering all aspects of human relationships, whether it's on dating to begin with, getting that perfect guy or girl, and then all the way through to long-distance relationships, keeping the love alive, what to do when various problems and conflicts arise, and then, unfortunately, if an ex is lost, if there's a breakup, how to deal with the breakup, how to let your ex go, or if you want, how to get your ex back. All of these topics, anything related to love, is going to be covered in this channel. I'm going to be launching 1 or 2 videos a day on all aspects of relationships. So subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can also visit the website below this video at whatishereallythinking.com, which is a site that specifically focuses on women and helping you answer all the questions you've ever had about men. What are we thinking? What do we desire? How should you date us? What kind of guys to date? All of that and more is there. But let's jump into today's video directly. Again, I'm focusing recently on women's issues in the last few videos. And this video is on why you should never date a man that is taken, no matter what, no exceptions, no matter what you've heard before. I've been talking a lot about these issues in recent videos on my series, because this is a very tricky issue, very important. And while going through some of the comments that many women have sent me before, I noticed a common theme, a trend here in what they're asking or what they want to find out. And a lot of women out there are currently victims of infidelity. That's unfortunate. And I don't mean as the woman getting cheated on either. I'm talking about the women out there that are on the other side of the affair, right? That's the one, the one that's the husband or boyfriend sneak around with. If you're the girl that husband is sneaking around with, that boyfriend is sneaking around with, what if you are that girl? The new intern that caught the married boss's eye, the woman that he promises he will be, that he will leave his wife for. Now that's right, ladies, I'm talking about that other woman and why you really don't want to be her, for yourself, for your long-term interests. Now you might be wondering why I'm calling them victims at all. After all, they're the home wreckers, right? How are they the victims? Well, while it's true that they are engaging in a behavior that is detrimental to their relationship and marriages, everyone needs to know that they aren't fully to blame. Of course, this one is for them. There is the guy there too. It takes 2 people to create one of these infidelity relationships. Now, if you've kept up with my channel for some time, you can probably tell that cheating isn't very high up on my list of favorite sins, because it just never works out. But understand that I don't hate cheaters, okay? I just don't agree with what they did. People aren't perfect, none of us are, and never will be. I wouldn't be foolish to believe that they are, or that I am. I do, however, hate the actual act of cheating, and what it does to perfectly good relationships, and it's unnecessary. It's just despicable and honestly a bit gross. The only difference between cheating and torture is that torture breaks people's minds, while cheating breaks people's hearts and spirit. Women out there are tempted to see a man that already has a wife or girlfriend, and they need to know that nothing honorable or good will come out of it. It's just not worth it. You aren't rescuing him from his evil wife. You aren't showing him that true love really exists and with you. And you aren't being the bad bitch. No, ladies, the truth is much sadder. You're breaking up a family, potentially breaking up a family. You're keeping a father out all night when he should be home reading a bedtime story to his 2 little boys. You're making another woman cry herself to sleep because she can't understand why her husband just can't love her anymore. These are just a few of the reasons you should think twice before engaging in any kind of adultery. Think of his girlfriend, who just made him a huge poster highlighting the 10 reasons why she loves him, but he's out with you right now. Think of his wife, the one that he stood with and proclaimed his everlasting love for better or for worse, until death do them part. Think of his little girl, the one that promised to have a tea party with this evening, but forgot about because he was with you. All the commitments he made that are now broken because of the time he spent with you. I'm not saying you in particular, I don't know what you did, I'm just not necessarily, right? Now, if you have any heart whatsoever, hopefully these reasons would be enough to make you think twice about cheating, right? And about how it's not going to even benefit yourself in the long term. You'll eventually realize his mistake, because in the vast majority of cases, men who cheat, the guilt builds up, they eventually realize their mistake, they ditch the person they were cheating with and go back to their original lover, and then you're just left in the cold. However, not all of us are soft-hearted, so if you can't relate to another person's pain, you need to know the following. This will not end well for you. So if you can't take kind of an altruistic view and stop the infidelity relationship for their sake, then at least know that it's not going to work for you anyway. Because when you engage in these types of relationship with a man that's already committed, you're showing him that basically you have no sense of morals. Now, I'm not sure if you know this, but men generally don't marry women that are lacking in the trustworthiness department. So you can kiss the idea of him or anyone else marrying you and living happily ever after goodbye. He's with you right now as a fling, but of course, just the fact that you're with him right now means he's going to consider you morally questionable, and therefore you can kiss the chance of having a super long-term relationship with him goodbye anyway. Now secondly, if he's going to cheat on his wife with you, what is going to keep him from doing the same thing to you in the future? Think of that. It's that simple. I promise you that if he leaves her for you, he will then leave you for someone else. It's just these serial cheaters, it's just a chain that can never be broken. So your reputation will also be completely ruined. You'll be labeled as a homewrecker, basically. If you have close friends, you will lose them. And to top it off, even your parents may shun you for a while, like people you were close to. You might have to pick up your entire life and move somewhere else and start anew just to fix reputations. So the relationship you have with this man will be lackluster at best. It's not even worth it. You won't be able to go out to eat together because he'll be terrified of being seen with you. You have to sneak around, right? You will spend the majority of your time at your house together, always inside, and it'll always have to be arranged, sneaking around. There'll be no surprise visits, no budding romance, and no promise of a happy ending because you come second in his mind. You're still second to that wife or that girlfriend, okay? You're a chore he has to do and a mistake he's made, and he will realize the mistake if he hasn't already. Know that. He is your world, but you are a footnote in his life. This is what you don't want to see or think about right now when that new romance has started. While you may see possibilities, attraction, and forbidden love, that's exciting, right? Everyone else is a woman coming in between a man and his family or a man and his other girl. The saddest part of the whole story is how it's going to end up hurting you ultimately most of all. Like it or not, you're the real victim here. So please think twice before you enter into any kind of relationship like that with a man that is already taken. It's just not worth it, and you'll only be hurting yourself. So have you ever been the other woman? Or are you a guy that wants to tell the ladies how we really look at cheating? Like always, please leave your answers to that question of the day or the question of the video in the comment section below. Let's get a discussion going here about if you've ever been in that position as a woman, or if you're a guy watching this video, let the ladies know what you really think about this kind of cheating, okay? And as always, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up on YouTube if any of this has been helpful to you at all. I'm going to be producing at least 1 or 2 of these videos, maybe more every day, on all aspects of dating, relationship, love, affairs, breakup, exes, getting over an ex, getting an ex back if you're so inclined. Anything to do with love is going to be constantly updated on this channel. And specifically to the women out there watching this video, specifically for you, a new website. You can check it out at the link below this video, whatishereallythinking.com, which covers everything you could possibly want to know on aspects of understanding men, right? Understanding men, what men want, what we desire, what we're thinking. So check it out and check back often for new videos in my relationship series. Until then, take it easy.